CITM is a regional technology development site underneath the province of Ontario's OVEN program, focused on companies that work in the transportation space. OVEN stands for the Ontario Vehicle Innovation Network.
Our extensive ecosystem is focused on providing the support and resources required by innovators to help them start, scale, and evolve technology solutions for the future.
So that ecosystem of opportunities is something that we leverage and build on with other technology companies and other incubators to bring to our clients. Over 500,000 people are employed in the whole auto sector supply chain. And if you include the technology that surrounds that supply chain, it's even more people. So transportation is changing and evolving to be smarter and more connected, but now it's also changing at the powertrain. So gas engines and diesel engines are now becoming battery-powered vehicles or hydrogen fuel cell-powered vehicles, depending on the size and scale. We work really hard to build a complex ecosystem that adds value to our startup clients. So Hamilton really has three key advantages. The first is that it's a transportation hub. Second is it's part of the Greater Toronto Hamilton area, so there's a huge talent pool here. And the third is it has a wonderful academic base. So we have McMaster University as well as Mohawk College, both of whom do both fundamental research and applied research. Here in Hamilton, we focus on integrated transportation and mobility and multimodal transportation. Trains, trucks, buses, cars, mobile devices like scooters, and Hamilton is a nexus of transportation. The combination of CITM and our Smart Transportation Network and DataStor gives entrepreneurial companies, startups and scale-ups the opportunity to build and test technology in the real world. That doesn't exist in many places. We have a client services team that has expertise in helping a company understand what their real market opportunity is. We have technical expertise. We introduce them to funding. And we basically nurture them in developing from nothing to a company that has a product or a service to sell.
CITM is bringing those types of entrepreneurial innovation opportunities into our city.
We're pretty unique in the world. We have really sophisticated infrastructure deployed in a real-world city environment, our own 5G network, a technical staff, and a client services staff that's really unparalleled. So come here, let us help you.